Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually to find the Digital Wellbeing and parental controls. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the well-being to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can see that the graph is divided between particular apps. What's more, we can check the unlocks and the notifications count. And if you want to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can tap inside of this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the screen time in particular days of a week, and under it you've got the apps listed. And the second way to do that is to simply tap on the particular app, so for example the settings. And as you can see, again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this only one app. So basically this is it. This is how to check the total screen time. But just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because nowadays we spend too much time on our screens, actually on our devices. So this device have kind of a built-in modes, thanks to which you can limit this time. So you've got, for example, the bedtime mode or the focus mode. You can use it whenever you need to rest, whenever you want to focus on something else, whenever you don't want to be disturbed. You can just set it, so set particular days. Pick the most distracting apps, so for example the social media apps. I will not find it right now, look for it, so let me just pick Chrome, whatever. As you can see, you can set the schedule, you can pick particular days, particular hours in which you want to focus on different things than your device, and your device will simply limit the notifications from those apps which you will mark. Yeah, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.